He didn't understand why the car stopped that day, why the door opened, why his human said stay. He wagged his tail like always, because he thought they were coming back. He waited by the road. The sun went down, then came back up, and he was still there. Cars passed, people passed, but he only looked for one face, and the one that left him. His fur got dirty, his paws got tired, but he never moved too far, because what if they came back and couldn't find him? He was a good boy. He still is. He's just waiting for someone who isn't coming. If you're still watching this, please like and subscribe to save one of these dogs before it's too late.